Hello, good morning, my dear lovely students. How are you? I'm back with one more interesting story. I hope you must be waiting for it. And in my point of view, what I think, learning from stories always give us joy and some kind of excitement, and obviously learning for sure. So let's get started. So today's story is about a bird, a little bird who had separated from his parents, and now after some point of time he realized that he got lost, and he tried all the permutation and combination. He tried to fly, but he couldn't fly because he just started learning how to fly. So every time he would fly, then fall down. The same things happen over and over. And then it was very disappointed for him that he was not able to fly, and at the same time he was very worried about his parents because his parents must be waiting for him. Now what happens actually, at the same time one unknown bird along with his friend watching, or you can say paying attention to that little bird, and after some point of time he decided to go there. Then they both went to the bird, and unknown bird asked a question: why are you so sad? Why are you so upset, my little bird? Politely he asked. Then at the first go, little bird got scared. Then suddenly he realized maybe they would help him to fly. Then little bird told him that he got stuck and he got separated from their parents, and now before evening he has to reach to his place. What should I do? Then little bird asked one question to unknown bird: could you please teach me how to fly, because I tried so many times, even I couldn't fly. Then after taking a small pause, that unknown bird replied, if you didn't know how to fly, then why you flew? You must stay with your parents. First you need to learn the technique or tricks. Then they started teasing the little bird, and after hearing these words the little bird got annoyed and then got upset too. So the little bird again requested, but both the birds, they started making fun of that little bird, and then they flew away. Now again after few minutes they got back and then said the same thing to little bird, and then again they started teasing, and they started telling him, look how we are going to fly, look at us. And then again they started the flight, and this process happened over and over 4-5 times. Now the sixth time when they got back again, surprisingly the little bird was not there. Then the friend of unknown bird asked, where is the little bird? Then an unknown friend or unknown bird, I would say, told to his fellow, she must she must fly away. And he was very happy. And then unknown bird's friend asked if that bird had flown away, then why are you so happy? Because you are the only person who teased that bird, who didn't help her, who made lot of fun, and now you are smiling. Why are you smiling? Because it was little weird for that unknown bird's friend. Now the unknown bird replied very politely, "Look, my dear best friend, you always paid attention to my negative side, and this time also you did the same thing. You paid attention to my negativity rather than positivity. What I was doing, actually, I was forcing that little bird to fly. When I saw first time, I was very happy to see his attempt, because every time he was trying so hard. If I had helped him that time, so he was not able to, maybe he was able to fly, but there was a help from my side, and I wouldn't want to give him help directly. So what I did, indirectly I helped her to say lot of teasing words. So that way she started flying their own. And now what I did, I boosted her confidence, and she paid attention to my tricks rather than my abusing or my bad words. So that way she got some confidence, and then she started more aggressively as compared to his previous attempts. So what I did, indirectly I helped her. So that way the friends of unknown bird got very happy. And then this is the end of the story, and the moral of the story is helping someone in such a way, or I would say help in such a way that no one feel obliged. So indirectly we can help any person. Sometimes things little awkward in first go, right? But if your intention is clear, you can also help indirectly. And that way what you can do, you can boost another person confidence, and that person will do his or her best. So this is the small story, guys. So I hope you really like